Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is jimmykaur YouTube video, and this is my first video of review of product which I using and experience it. It's very useful, and also it's kind of oil. And if you see my videos, there are some beauty related videos in this channel, and there is no long videos on it. Reviews, I this are like old videos. So today I want to show that how oils like castor oil and almond oil helps your skin to be non-wrinkle and non-wrinkle, and especially it's easy to maintain and replace any anti-aging cream. So I use many of them actually. I use many of them castor oils, and but recently I purchased, and this is from Amazon, and I purchased this castor oil, and this castor oil I use for the past 2 months, and I felt so good after that because my skin become nicer. After that become skin nicer, fresh, and there is clear, and there is not there is clean actually. Only use castor oil. There's I don't use any anti-aging creams and none other than, because I left out over that because it's busted so many fakeness, and only it's a myth. Okay, anti-aging is scam actually. I think so. No objections, but I it is my thoughts. What's your thought? It totally depend on you. So I use this oil. So I show you this. This is castor oil, and this is in black castor oil actually, and this is very good, especially to other castor oils which I used. But this castor oil has just changed my mindset and changed my life too. So this actually, and this is it's a natural caraway, and I also this is from Amazon. I purchased from Amazon. I send the link on the description. You can purchase them for too. And mostly the thing is, it has many benefits actually. This is ingredients 100% cold pressed. It's a cold press from for castor seeds actually, and it's a cold press. Cold press means it's original oil. Okay, it's a castor seed extracted from the castor trees, and also it's can be consumed daily, and you can consume daily because many castor oils you can't consume, but the castor oil you can consume. This castor oil you can consume also because it heals your gut problem. It's enhance your beauty, because your gut is your beauty, because it's in gut. So this is it, and it's very good and useful. I approximately I use in my eyebrows, because this is my eyebrows. It's very light. It was very light in shade, but now it's like a dark, because every night I just put a little drop of my palm and put in my eyebrows, so it little bit dark. You can use it if you use it, if you don't have any issues about allergy and nothing. First test. First you must test, because sometimes it's allergible, so you must take a patch test before using it. Okay, so this is the oil, and this is very good oil. I must wear. This is cold pressed oil. It is from Caraway, castor or seeds, castor seed. It's written on that. This is castor seed actually. So this is written on the castor seeds. So you can just buy it, and you can comment on me how do you like it, and use it for at least 1 month, and see the changes on your face and your gut problem, healing the gut problem. And it's also good castor oil, expect other oils. So this is my review actually on the castor oil, and this is my first video, on my first full video review. But if you like this video, you can DM, you can comment me, you can comment or like and share, subscribe to my channel. And this is very good oil. I put the link in the description, and you can purchase it from Amazon. So it's very good. If you like it, just share it and use it, and then comment me how you like it. And it's very effective actually. It's my genuine review, because I don't review which I don't experience actually before. I review only which I experience, the products which I made, just test the products on my skin actually, on myself. So this is the video of this product of review with this castor oil, and it's in a glass bottle. Especially in a glass bottle, it's very good, and it's cold pressed, it's light in shade, it's light in, and it's also very good product. I must say, I give them 5 stars on Amazon. So yes, this is very good. So if you like this video, just like the video, just hit the like button, like, share and subscribe. So if you want another videos like that, like on my general reviews on that, so just comment me on my video in this video. So I just put in another video of my sense, and my review on my products. And if you like it, just bought it, brought it and use it. You do not regret about it, because it's very worthwhile. Thank you. Okay, so bye. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.